So we can provide with our commercially listed heat pump or commercially available heat pump. We can provide as high as 180 degree Fahrenheit hot water to a customer's hot water process, and we can provide as low as about 35 degree Fahrenheit for a chilled water process. The actual operating range of the machine is wider. However, we've identified that the market is really kind of focused on those types of temperatures. Anywhere from 150 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit is pretty common for an industrial or commercial process for hot water, and anywhere from 34 to 42 degrees is pretty common for chilled water processes.